Hi guys, I'm going to show you how 1 plus 1 equal to 3 in easy way. You know, if you take 41 negative 40 will be equal to 1, and then 61 negative 60 equal to 1. Then 41 negative 40 1 0, 61 60 0 1, and then to get 41 we take 25 plus 16 negative 40. You see 25 plus 16 equal 1 1 3 4, then equal to 36 plus 25 negative 60. You see, if you take 36 plus 25 1 1 3 5 6 with this one. So as you see, 40 out of 2 equal to, you can get 0. 60 divided by 2 can get 0. It means 40 and 60 are even numbers. That is why they will be excluded. They are not included in our fraction. Then 25 in simplification, let me show you. 25 5 5 5 1 means equal to 5 squared. 5 squared plus 16 4 4 4 1 4 squared plus 4 squared equal to 36 6 6 6 1 6 squared. 6 squared plus 25 also is 5 squared. And you see, we have 5 squared and 5 squared in a different side, and there is equal sign. We are going to take this, come here in the other side, in the left side, with the different sign. You see, it have plus, it will be minus. Then 5 squared plus 4 squared negative 5 squared equal to 6 squared. If this come here in other side, it will be negative. Then let's put together what are equal. 5 squared negative 5 squared, this will come with this, plus 4 squared equal to 6 squared. You see, if you have plus and a negative, this means their multiplication, it will be negative. If they are equal, it will equal to 0. Then 5 squared negative 5 squared equal to 0. Then we are left with 4 squared equal 6 squared. If there is equal sign and we have squared squared, they will be disabled. Then we are left with 4 equal to 6, and we are going to divide by 2 on both sides, because 4 out of 2 you can get 0, and 6 out of 2 you can get 0. All are even numbers, and you know, even numbers are numbers that you can divide by 2 and get finally result 0. Then out of 2 and out of 2, then here will remain 1 2, here 3 1. Then means we will remain with these 2 equal 3, because here it's 3. Then we know 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then this will equal to 1 plus 1 equal 3.